Ridgeway Mechanical has been in the Atlanta area for about 25 years now. Alan actually started the company on his own in about 1983, 1984. He's been the sole proprietor ever since. We're a family-owned and operated business. The company itself is actually licensed, bonded, and insured, and every single one of our technicians carries a full plumbing license. The average experience of our plumbers is anywhere from 15 to 18 years, again, all licensed, and this is just one of the many reasons people trust us to give them that quality work at a competitive price, is because they can trust us and our technicians. All of our work is backed by a full guarantee, a full warranty. We even offer 24/7 emergency service at no additional charge, including weekends. We stand behind our work. We're not going anywhere as a company. We're not a fly-by-night, kind of institution.
Our hot water heater had flooded our basement.
I've had work done inside and out.
My wife and I have been using them for about 4 years.
Within an hour, they were at my house.
By that afternoon, we had a brand new hot water heater installed.
They're always on time.
They were very professional.
They come out when they say they're going to.
They made it very easy.
Very neat in appearance.
Professional job.
I would recommend Ridgeway Mechanical to anyone.
And I highly recommend them.
Especially someone that had an emergency because of their response time.
Ridgeway offers a complete line of plumbing services, from water line installations to sewer line installations, bathtubs, remodels, water heaters, faucets. What we really specialize in, though, is water line and sewer line installations. We've done over 23,000 of them over the years. We offer free video camera inspection of your sewer lines after any sewer cleaning. Most companies are getting anywhere from $150 to $350 for this particular service. We give it to you at no extra charge. We really consider it part of the job. We can even make you a free DVD for insurance or liability purposes. We actually also have the equipment to do trenchless water line repair. This preserves your yard's landscaping, sidewalks, driveways, utilities, irrigation services. Because of our time in the Atlanta area and because of the experience level of our technicians, people really trust us to handle all their plumbing problems, big or small. We've got a legacy of satisfied customers throughout the Atlanta area, thousands of repeat customers. We are really the guys to call for prompt, courteous service at competitive prices.
Ridgeway Mechanical, your complete plumbing service provider, serving all of Metro Atlanta for over 25 years. Call us at 770-354-4594.